let's just enjoy because it's so beautiful. So it's a hike. Just join me, okay? How the heck we arrived here? Oh, it's just us and a lot of kids. And we love kids. Beautiful, right? Yeah. Thank you, Hypo, for waking me up. Alright. So I'm ready for a new trip. We're going to Mount Batur. And I'm excited. And I have my little bike here, prepared with the luggage. Ta-na-na. Let's hope it holds. Bubbles! I'm happy. Ready? Look at the camera. The camera! I reached back to Yuan and then I went, on the crosswalk with the bike because it was too much traffic. He didn't follow and now he's stuck in some truck. But I was like, no.
How many times you stay in Bali?
2 months.
What long?
You have a lot of beaches, surf. Yeah, it's nice. Nice people from Bali. Finally, the lost guy. This is my friend. Guess what? I'm so weird. By mistake, I booked a tent. I mean, what the fuck? I just cannot believe that I did this. So I'll change it tomorrow, but what the fuck? It's annoying, but I'm so toned. And I was like, I'm going to be so relaxed. A big bed just for me, no hostel. And now I'll probably sleep with my friend. It's beautiful, huh? You have good conditions.
Thank you.
Whoa, it's like a restaurant called Colosseum, so let's see. Looks fancy. Tomorrow we go to the Mount Batur with 2 French girls. Wow, it's fancy. And me, I sleep in a tent. Oh my god. We had some pizza, but I forgot to film it. And now we have this Vietnamese soup because we are cold. We go up. I mean, that's a relief that we go up. I was a bit scared. I will put like 3 units because tomorrow morning I'll do hiking. So 3 units. I cannot believe that I'm doing a puzzle of 3 units. That's crazy. So yesterday I put only 5 doses and I was still going low at night. I'm wondering if I should put only 2 units. Like it's weird. Yeah, I don't understand what's happening with my body. I'll put 2.5. Finally going up. I went so down last days all the time that feels like a relief. Fucking diabetes. It's 3:15 a.m. Let's go. It's going to be a good day. And I'm not that tired. Think for yawn and then we go. Okay, we're halfway. My camera is not working properly.
You cannot resist without coffee.
Bali Nescafe. Good luck, huh?
Congratulations in Mount Batur.
Thank you so much, guide. Thank you so much, guide.
Congratulations in Mount Batur. Congratulations. Welcome. Okay, guys. See you later.
So you are preparing the breakfast. Thank you.
Yeah, and then you go down also with me, yeah?
Okay.
And I bring you different way down.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you so much. See you.
Thank you. This is Mount Batur. This is what we're going to see in this video. Let's just enjoy because it's so beautiful. So it's a hike. Just join me, okay? It's going to be fun. For some picture session.
So I just realized now that this is the lake, this is another island, and here is the ocean, sea, wherever. And that's beautiful.
I think it's not Lombok.
Thank you so much.
Also, yes, it's warm. Very good for our stomach.
Banana sandwich has banana. First time eating bread with banana. It's good, but not for diabetics.
Nusa Penida, no? Nusa Penida.
The morning is here. So last eruption was in
2000. The last eruption from Batur volcanic was 2000, but in 2000 it was more eruption.
Okay.
No lava, black areas, last biggest one. Last biggest one.
So the ashes here are from 1963 or 2000?
In 1963.
1963. Okay. So the first one or the second one?
Behind.
Behind. So behind is still active,
Yeah.
but the lava doesn't go from like the top.
Yes, from on the top.
From the top, okay. Best out of like to go down by here. So we go back on another way apparently, but I would have liked to do a bit more. I look like I'm coming from school.
For biking, really I hate these guys going by here, like so annoying. Sometimes it's too narrow. Whatever. I mean, it's needed, you know, if it's an emergency, but otherwise, come on. Or am I asking for too much? I don't know. And now I'm.
That's so cute. You have such a good heart. I am
It's just for the
surprised. Some are tourists like you. Like onion. Here we have like salad. My grandparents used to grow a lot of vegetables and stuff. So it's nice. I was like, hey, this is onion, this is cabbage. And she was like, yeah. The heck?
Balinese people, they have chicken, like fighting chicken.
And this is the chicken of someone.
Yeah.
Fighting chicken.
Yeah, fighting
And they
chicken.
fight until they die or
Yes, of course.
until they die?
Boxing.
Until they die?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Whoa. How you prepare the chicken to fight?
Yeah, I know a little bit about gambling. Yeah, and then when the Balinese people have to gambling,
Okay.
people will use like a knife here in the leg for the chicken.
Uh-huh.
Also, yeah, and then after that fighting, like a boxing. Then one chicken is died, one chicken still alive.
And with the sandwich, I mean, I ate only half of sandwich, okay? Because, yeah, but I'm happy I didn't take any insulin and it's dropping down, so. Breakfast with the view, Tanani, Tanana.
Feel the black, what you said?
Poor little camera, so you see, I cannot. Bang, gimbal protection. And it's getting very hot. We have two red Furies, we have the same bike.
Let the world go by. Just let the world go by. And it'll all be just fine. Be by your side. Just let the world go by.
How the heck we arrived here? I did not expect this. It's beautiful. I have to not hit my head. Wow, that's crazy. It's actually very French here. They have quiche.
The more I think, what was the link? The straw that was stirring my drink. It was all just my basic instincts. So true to form.
That's so weird to see this guy here. Guess what? I took also dessert.
Soon as people are half very, very consumed with visions of tombs and cemeteries. So many of the heroes we lose are ordinary. Refusing to attend funerals or mortuaries. The thought is scary enough to put that fear in your heart. It's clear you was aware that it was there from the start.
God, we are alive.
Hoping that you leave in your mark upon the world before you dearly depart.
And it's coming. Thank you so much. What's the name of this? Dederguru. Thank you so much. Dederguru. It's like some Balinese specialty. And it's absolutely delicious. One of the best coffees I drank so far. So it's like cocos with some flour and I don't know, it's good. Not for the diabetics, but it's good. No chocolate.
Not good for chocolate for diabetes either.
No, this is the best coffee with oat milk in my life. Like, it's delicious. I mean, it's better than regular milk. Unbelievable.
Difficult for me to say, it's impossible to convey. It's cryptic, apocalyptic, like the blaze in LA. Through the fire and the smoke, so finding it hard to cope, leaving them with people.
We arrived at the most popular hot spring here, so let's see how it is. Popcorn. And I'm going long. What the fuck? Why I'm going low? Why I'm going low? Oh, it's just us and a lot of kids. So we paid like 20 euros for 1 hour and a half. Is it hot? Let me check. Man, it's just warm.
Just let the world go by. And it'll all be just fine. Be by your side.
That full love game.
Ah, la belle vie.
Oh, I came here. It's really beautiful. It's like hot water. It's near Mount Batur. I mean, Mount Batur, I think it's behind me. Before coming here, bam, going into haiku. I'm a diabetic type 1, but now it's okay. So I'm enjoying right now. Have a lovely day. Bisous. Oh, there are stairs here.
That's so.
More sugar. Life is life. I just need to stay calm. And I will go back. And stronger. Told you, coming back to life little by little. Thank you, bye bye. Thank you. Bye, thank you. One motorbike broke. The tire kind of like exploded. So now we are on my scooter, and tomorrow morning we go to the repair shop and we get new tire. But see you tomorrow. Guess who has a nice room tonight? Oh,
It's 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm going in Haipum. I don't know, I woke up around 3 a.m. I was very high, like, as you can see, I'm sleeping. But maybe I put a bit too much. Maybe you know if you're diabetic. I thought that, like, the tendons was 250 going up. I was like, oh my god, so I put a lot of insulin. Not going down, but it was like flat, 220. I was like, man, no, for sure I'll go on hype. So, check this out. Let's see if I can go back to sleep, huh? Hey, shh, calme-toi. This is one of the best sunrises. I mean, check this out.
Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from
I'm so grateful. So grateful. Looking here and enjoy. If you see my setup of filming, it's hilarious. Because I said in a previous video, again my camera got broken. So again I'm filming with the phone, but I don't give up. Sun is coming down. Beautiful, right? I really don't know how I'm going to sleep. But it's too beautiful. Too beautiful. Thank you, life. Huh? Thank you, life. I might be diabetic, but at least I'm here with my new friend. Hope you enjoyed the sunrise, and if you're a diabetic, I hope I gave you some positivity. If you are not diabetic, maybe you can simply just wake up at 6 a.m. because you know you can, and you are healthy, and life is beautiful. I mean. Now it's really the time to sleep. Oh, I hope I can sleep 1 or 2 more hours, because today is going to be a tough day. I mean, tough day. I'm going to visit and so on. Yeah. Thank you, Hypo, for waking me up at 6 a.m. when I didn't want. Oh, that's so good now. Hopefully I can sleep again.
Started the morning with a coffee. My friend lost his swimsuit where we were yesterday at the hot spring. So enjoying this beautiful view. It's amazing. Like drinking your coffee here. And should I tell you that at our accommodation, like, you can close the door of the toilet or you let it open and you see something like this. Guess what did I do? Maybe I should have not shared this, but yeah, I'm a natural, let's say. Good, so now we'll go to Ubud. He fixed his tire, so we are ready to hit the road. We will meet with 2 German girls that we met in Tribal, our home, let's say, in Bali, and that's it. So yeah, let's hit the road, baby.